Hello friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add notes to your PDF documents on Zotero. So log into your Zotero account, guys, and you want to go ahead and click on the web app because I'm currently using the web application here. So click on the web library and you want to find that PDF documents that you want to basically add the notes to. So once you find the document, click on it, and then on the right hand side, click and open. It's going to open up the PDF document for you in a new tab, and you'll be able to read the document and see what is there. But if you want to add notes to that specific PDF document, then it's also very easy to do. So what you want to do, you want to find where in the document that you want to add the note. So for example, I want to add notes on the bottom of the page. I can just go ahead and find where in the document that I want to add the notes, whether on the bottom or the top. Let's use, for example, the top left, right? So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to find the options here at the top, and one of them is called notes. So I need to find the notes one and click on add note. Once you click on that, you can choose basically what color you want to use. So let's use, for example, blue, and I can just click anywhere on the document and start. Once I click there, I can add the comment. So I'm going to say, for example, needs reviewing, right? So I'm going to add that and just go ahead and click away. Now you can continue to do this at in any page or any section within your document that you want. All you have to do is just ensure that you find the add note icon at the top there and just find place in the document that you want to do it. Click there and it's going to give you that place to add the note. So I'm going to go ahead and just say, for example, need to remove this page. Just an example. And that's how you go ahead and add those different notes. So you can go ahead and you can add notes in your document wherever you want. And yeah, once you're ready, once you're going through the documents at a later point in time, you'll be able to find the notes here. Once you click on them, it's going to tell you which one is which, as you can see, and it's easy to really identify those in the document. You don't need to save anything afterwards, guys. Just go ahead and close out of the document. The next time you go back and open up the document, you will see that you have the notes still stored in the document and readily easily to view. And that's it, guys. That's how you go ahead and add notes to your PDF documents